everyone, Katie Skoog here with Simple Life Pattern Company, and today we are kicking off the Skylar Sew Along. This is one of the cutest patterns out there. It has a cute bow back and many different options. So we'll be making 3 different dresses. I have my new collection that is coming out with Art Gallery Fabrics called West Palm, and I have 2 knits, and I'll be using the solid for the bodice and a woven for the skirt to show you can mix and match your substrates. So on day 1, the first thing that you need to do is pick out your fabrics and the options that you want to sew. Print out your pattern pieces. Our patterns include layers, so you can click only the layers that you want to print. For this one, I am doing a size 3/4. I'm blending for one of my daughters. So print out your pattern pieces, and we will be taping them together. Or if you have the option to have a 0, you can print that out and save yourself a lot of time on taping. But for most of us, we'll have to go ahead and tape, so let's go ahead and get started on that. I want to show you a few fun things that our patterns include, such as the no trim pages and how easy it is to assemble them. So let's get started. Once you have your pattern pieces printed out, you can go ahead and grab your bodice pieces and lay them in order. You can see that they're all labeled with a number, so they'll go in order. And we generally like to keep our bodices on its own separate page so no other pattern pieces are on it, sometimes, if we can, without it getting too crazy of a pattern. So you can grab those, and these are no trim. You'll see these lines going around our bounding box, and then you'll have circles. Our circles will be exactly 1 inch in diameter. As you can see, my printer doesn't print out all the way to the edge, which is fine. Always make sure your 1 inch square is correct. If it's off even a little bit, it will not produce the right size. It will either be too tight or too big, depending on if your square is bigger or smaller, even like a 1/16 of an inch. So always check that. Once you have them ready to go, you just overlap them. Where this line is on this page should go directly over this, and your circles will be matching up. So go ahead and line that up. And you can kind of see through this. If you have a light box or tracing box, whatever you want to call it, you can put that under there, or you can use your window. You just grab your tape. And I only tape inside the pattern pieces right here, because this is all going to get thrown away, so no need to waste your tape on that. I'm going to go ahead and do the back bodice now. And you can see that there are different numbers because the circle skirt goes right there, but because those are on its own thing, or their own pages, I am not going to worry about creating a huge layout of pages taped together. I'll just do it front bodice, back bodice, and circle skirt all separately. So I'm lining these up here. Sometimes it's kind of hard to see. There, I got that one. Okay. Just do one big piece right there. Okay, these are ready to be cut out. And you can do the exact same process with your circle skirt by taking your pages and lining them up. And so once you have those, just keep taping them until you have the whole piece together and cut everything out.